He said, Otto, don't eat that stuff. What did you get into? Hmm? What did you get into? And now it's down in the baby belly. Huh? What baby get into and now it's in the baby belly? Now they gotta get it out that belly, Otto. What did you get into, mister? Hmm? What did that baby get into, little Otto? My goodness. My goodness. Yo, you look so guilty.